Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the symptom. Panda search appears on new tabs or as your default engine. Open your browser settings and go to search engine and new tab options to see if Panda is set. At the same time, open extensions or add-ons and scan for unfamiliar entries. Remove anything suspicious. Also, check programs or apps in your OS. Make a quick list of recent installs. Once done, backup bookmarks and ensure passwords are noted, because you may reset settings next. Now you act. Disable and remove any extension that you did not install or that references Panda. Then open your system's apps or programs list and uninstall recently added or unknown software. This often removes the hijacker host. After uninstalling, return to browser settings and explicitly change the default search engine back to Google and set the new tab page to a blank or preferred URL. Make sure to restart the browser and scan again if Panda persists. Additional cleanup will be needed. Finish with a deep cleanup. Run a reputable anti-malware tool and remove anything it flags. This tackles leftover components. If Panda still appears, perform a full browser reset to default settings, which removes persistent configurations. Then clear your system DNS cache and inspect the host's file for unauthorized entries that reroute search queries. Once done, restart the machine and verify Google is restored. Troubleshooting tip: if changes revert, boot in safe mode and repeat scanning and removals to catch stubborn components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.